beautiful people, welcome to my channel Space Inox. As all my viewers and learners know about this channel is to give an information relevant to job, internship and some of the few courses relevant to GATE or for the GATE aspirants. In this video, I'm going to deliver an information how you can get a job at Boeing as a fresher. So isn't it interesting? Yes, you can get a job as a fresher. So you might be heard about this Boeing company. So Boeing is another one of the biggest aircraft manufacturing company. So you can get a job as a fresher as well. So here in this video, I'm going to discuss few of the tips that how you can get a job and what are the positions, what are the basic requirements, what are the skills and what are the other things are required. So without wasting much time, let's get started. And before getting started, I have some announcement to make with you guys. So especially as all of you are aware, GATE has declared the result. I would like to congratulate all the GATE scorer and ranker who got succeed in GATE 2022. So if there are any GATE aspirants are watching this video, I have some amazing information for you for the GATE 2023 and 2024. So first, I would like to say and congratulate an academy for providing such an amazing rank, top rankers to crack GATE exam 2023 and 2024 with an academy. So Unacademy provides a scholarship test for GATE aspirants. You can also win 100% scholarship test. So you can go down to my description box and you can check the detailed information. So but if you use my code ASH10 to get a flat discount of 10% off. So don't delay. If you're a GATE aspirant, go and learn over there. And this is all the great news for all the GATE and EAC aspirants. Something exciting is coming soon to boost your preparation. So stay tuned till the end of the channel and also go through the Unacademy websites for amazing free video lectures by eminent experts like SK Mundal, who is to deliver an amazing lecture by non-traditional machines. Likewise, we have amazing courses like steel structures, analog electrics, electromagnetics, computer organizations and architectures. We have chemical technology as well. So don't delay. What you're waiting for. So coming back to our agenda, that we are going to discuss that what are the jobs, positions that are available at Boeing, and if you apply in this course as well, it's not going to affect, it is going to be easy in the interview board as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So don't be surprised that Boeing is also offering a job for freshers. So basically I have acknowledged 4 different posts that you can apply. First one is a strut and payload engineers, and second one mechanical design engineer, third technical illustrator and structural analysis engineer 1. That means as a junior level. So these are the 4 important posts that as a fresher you can apply. Now let's look into the further thing that how and you can apply, what are the basic skills required and what they are looking for. Now I will discuss each and everything point wise, so this video can get little longer, so please do not skip because here I'm going to deliver each and every information step by step. So stay tuned till the end. First and foremost, we are going to discuss about the strut and payload engineers 1. So what are the basic requirements we need? So bachelor's or master's degree in mechanical, aeronautics or equivalent discipline. So again here they are looking for the freshers 2 to 4 years of experience. So experience, what are the experience they require, or maybe they should have some relevant projects. Experience in interior and payload design. So maybe emergency equipments, galleys and other structural design or installation. Maybe they might be need to aware of material properties or aircraft requirements, design and certification of course. So looking for what are the design tools or analysis software they're looking for. So basically here they're looking for CAD tools, maybe of CATIA. They have specifically mentioned must be proficient in modeling, drafting and model-based definition is essential. So where they have mentioned essential, so you have to be focused on that. And obviously, Boeing, such an eminent manufacturing company, will be looking for performance with positive attitude and highest work ethics. So you cannot forget this thing. So this is going to be common. And all those other links, how you can go and visit to the website, that will also I will be mentioning in my description box as well. Mechanical Design Engineer 1. So what are the basic qualifications? Again, you need either bachelor or master's degree in mechanical, aeronautical, aeronautics, even civil disciplines. Fresher graduates shall be considered for this position on the skill set on merit based, and they have also provided that 0 to 4 years of experience will be considered. And here, what are the basic requirements we need? Knowledge on structural design, mechanical design, material property. You should be aware of industrial standards for structural and mechanical system design. So talking about some of the key softwares they're looking for, here also they're looking for CAD tools, which is can be specific. They have specified CATIA, Creo, Unigraphics, NX for modeling, drafting, and model-based definition is essential. In this particular work profile, they must be aware of that able to verify accuracy of non-technical data, that is gather relevant data from the root cause analysis and provided changes to resolve any sort of discrepancies in the design packages. So these are the basic requirement. Talking about the third one, we have entry level technical illustrator. So basically, what is a basic requirement? Be aeronautical or mechanical. Even they have specified that AME, that is aircraft maintenance engineering, is also applicable. Here they have said basic qualifications must have a knowledge in MS Office and knowledge on 3D softwares like AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, ProE and etc. And they have also mentioned few of their qualities, that position responsibility they have mentioned they should be very it's excellent communication skills or writing or verbal communication. They should be good as a team player and should assign the duty on time and other relevant things. And talking about preferred, here they have specified that bachelor's degree is preferred. So last part is a structural analysis engineer 1. So let's look into it. What are the basic requirements? So basic qualification, they are looking for bachelor's or master degree in, again, mechanical, aerospace, applied mechanics, structural engineering, and 0 to 4 years of experience in stress analysis. And talking about some preferred, so preferred is, again, as we are talking about structure, so it can be metallic structure, it can be composite, it can be any kind of airframes with applied loads and other analysis. You should be very much sensitive with a free body diagram, understanding the engineering fundamentals. Here you need to have experience in utilizing FEM softwares like ABAQUS, PATRAN, NASTRAN, Hypermesh, or preferable you have any sort of training like Python, Matlab, so on, and experience utilizing the industrial system like CAD system, Teamcenter, CATIA, ENOVIA, so on. And specifiedly they have given you should have a very good problem solving skills or analytical skills. And obviously the verbal communication and writing communication should be better to communicate with the functional activities with your team and the organization. So these are the four things that I have mentioned. So here also you need some technical experience. So in this also you need some experience from 0 to 4 years, and which also requires undergraduates or postgraduates from aerospace, mechanical, aeronautical, civil disciplines or equivalent disciplines will be accepted. So that's all for today. I hope this video and the informations are very useful to all the freshers or the current graduates or the engineers who has passed out in mechanical, aeronautical, aerospace and civil engineering students. So I hope you got some idea that what are the skills that you need to develop so before you submit your resume to Boeing in India. So you just can go down to the description box and go through all the links where I have given the descriptions, given all the information in the description box. So for your further information. And if you have any relevant questions or doubt, don't hesitate to write in the comment box. I'll get back to you and reply soon. So that's all for today. Take care, stay blessed and fly high.